In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize data by sorting in Google Sheets. Sorting data alphabetically is one of the most fundamental tasks you can perform in spreadsheets. It helps you organize and make sense of information, allowing you to find what you need quickly and easily. So, let's dive into the steps. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is open a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets in your browser and creating a new spreadsheet or opening an existing one. If you haven't used Google Sheets before, don't worry. It's pretty user-friendly, and I'll guide you through the process. Next, we'll try sorting our data in ascending order. This is where your data is arranged from A to Z, which can be particularly helpful if you're dealing with a list of names or words. To get started, select the range of cells that contains the names you want to sort. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired cells. Once you've selected the desired range, it's time to take action. Move your cursor up to the top menu and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu of options related to data management. From here, look for the option that says Sort Range. Clicking this will allow you to specify how you want your data sorted. To sort alphabetically from A to Z, you'll select Sort Range by column B, A to Z. This instructs Google Sheets to alphabetize your selected data, orderly arranging it for easy reading and analysis. Now that we've successfully sorted our data in ascending order, let's explore how to sort it in descending order. This is useful if you want to see your data from Z to A, which is great for lists where the most recent or highest values come first. The starting procedure is similar. Select the range of cells you wish to sort in descending order by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Once your range is selected, go back to the Data menu at the top. Click it to display your data handling options. Again, you'll choose Sort Range. But this time, look for the option that reads Sort Range by column D, Z to A. Selecting this option will instruct the spreadsheet to arrange your data from Z to A, showing you the largest or most recent items first. And there you have it. You've now learned how to alphabetize your data in Google Sheets in both ascending and descending orders. This skill will come in handy whenever you need to quickly organize and analyze your data. Thanks for following along, and happy sorting.